Very good afternoon, Moshin.
Good afternoon, sir.
કાલે તમારી ઈચ્છા હતી કે આપણે ફર્સ્ટ ચેપ્ટર ફરી રિવાઇઝ કરીએ શુક્રવારના લેક્ચરમાં. તો મને કહો કયા કયા ટોપિક કરવા છે કે આપણે
સર પાછા ટોપિક છે ને બધા પૂરું કરંટ ગેઇન વિથ લોડ રેઝિસ્ટર અને કરંટ શોર્ટ સર્કિટ કરંટ ગેઇન.
શોર્ટ સર્કિટ કરંટ ગેઇન.
હા અને સર કરંટ ગેઇન વિથ આરએલ રેઝિસ્ટિવ લોડ આરએલ.
હા હા, એમાં મિલર થિયરમ અપ્લાય કરી છે.
હા સર ખબર નહીં પડી ડેરિવેશન ફિગર્સ તો એમાં યાદ રહેતી નહીં બહુ બધા.
ઓકે, કરી લઈશું. બીજું મિલર થિયરમ ખાલી વાંચીને આવજે એટલે આ પ્રમાણે કરીશું આપણે, બરાબર ને?
હા સર. અને સર બધી થિયરી બધા ડેરિવેશન છે ને સર અંદર એમાં એચઆરઈ એચએફઈ બધું ફાઇન કરે સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં એ સર ખબર નહીં પડતી કેમનું આવે છે.
તો
એચઆરઈ એચએફઈ કેમનું લાવે છે લોકો ખબર નથી પડતી એમને.
સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં
હા
કેમ મેં તમને પ્રી રિક્વિઝિટ જે મેં પોસ્ટ કરી હતી એમાં એચ પેરામીટરમાં એચઆરઈ એચએફઈ નથી કરાયો. સીઈ હોય તો એના એચ પેરામીટર લઈએ તો એચઆરઈ એચએફઈ નહીં આવતું.
સર આવડતું નથી ભૂલી ગયા સર. સ્ટાર્ટિંગ ખબર નથી પડતી નીકળ ડેરિવેશન આખું ખબર પડી જશે.
ના એટલે હું આ કહું છું તને કે મારે પછી એચ પેરામીટર નું સીઈ પણ કરાવવાનું રહેશે કે એ તમે લોકો કરી લેશો?
ના સર કરી દે ખાલી સર હિન્ટ આપી દેવાનું સર કેમનું આવે છે ખાલી.
એવું છે. ઓકે, ઓકે ચાલ ને હું કરી દઉં. એટલે કદાચ તું આ કહેશો ને. જો સ્ક્રીન દેખાય છે મોસી?
યસ સર.
તો આ ડેરિવેશન પછી એમાં એચએફઈ એચઆરઈ ક્યાંથી આવ્યો એવું કહે છે તું?
હા સર એ ખબર નથી પડતી નીકળ આખું ડેરિવેશન યાદ રહી જાય આખું પણ ખાલી સ્ટાર્ટિંગ નથી ખબર પડતી એચએફઈ કઈથી આવે છે ને.
ઓકે ચાલ ને એ હું કરાવું તને. ઓકે, બીજા કઈ ડાઉટ તો નથી ને મોસન?
ના સર બસ બીજું બધું તો આવડે.
ઓકે, આ બે ડાઉટ છે ને? સારું ચાલ પછી આપણે પણ કરીએ. તો આજે આપણે આપણો લાસ્ટ ટોપિક કરીએ. વેરી ગુડ આફ્ટરનૂન ટુ ઓલ ઓફ યુ. So students, my dear students, today we are going to start with the last topic of Unit 4 of OPAMP, that is ECL circuit. So for this ECL circuit, I request everyone to just, I hope my circuit diagram is visible to all of you. So in this circuit diagram, I have drawn two things. One is a OR and a NOR gate. Another one is a ECL circuit with two inputs A and B. So I request everyone to kindly draw this emitter coupled logic ECL circuit. Once you have drawn, please do let me know. Okay, students? Hello, students?
ઓકે સર.
Okay. Once you draw it, please do let me know. Dear students, as you can see, the first diagram comprises of three transistors, namely Q1, Q2 and Q3. As you can see that there are two inputs, A and B, as well as plus VCC and minus VCC is also there along with VBB. Okay, so this is the symbolic differential amplifier converted to two input ECL circuit. In terms of digital gates, it is termed as two input or oblique NOR gate, as you have seen in the diagram. So if the OR gate is there, then Y is there, and if we talk about NOR gate, then Y dash would be there. I hope you are able to see the diagram and you have already drawn it. If yes, can I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
So now I request everyone to draw this third diagram, which is the base of ECL circuit. Please draw this third diagram. Once you have drawn, please do let me know. Now, let me start by checking. In the saving last we are taking file. Just 25 minutes.
Sir, drawn.
I remember. But it's only you may tell me the status. Tell me your email address. This is where I ask you question. Alright. Repeat it.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. So now as you can see the third diagram, in the third diagram I have already written about few things that you must understand. First of all, this is an emitter coupled circuit. I repeat, the following diagram is an emitter coupled circuit in which the Q1 and Q2 transistors are having the emitter portion or emitter terminal combined. The emitter terminal is combined for both the transistors, that is Q1 and Q2. It is just similar to that of a differential amplifier circuit. I repeat, it is similar to that of the differential amplifier circuit. IE is fixed. I repeat, IE is fixed. That is 3 milliampere. Please note down. I request you to please note down. In logic family, this circuit is considered to be a high-speed circuit or quite fast circuit because Q1 and Q2 is in differential amplifier form because the transistors Q1 and Q2 are in differential amplifier form. Secondly, please note down, secondly, its switching time, that is the on-off time, is quite fast. Thirdly, dear students, please note down the third point. There is no saturation region in the circuit. There is no saturation circuit. Only switching takes place. I repeat, only switching takes place. There is no saturation region in the circuit. Next point. Switching takes place between cut-off and active regions. Switching takes place between cut-off and active regions. Next point. Dear students, please note down the next point. Propagation delay is of 1 nanosecond. Propagation delay is of 1 nanosecond. Dear students, in digital systems or digital circuits, you might have also read about TTL and RTL circuits. This ECL circuit is faster than TTL or even RTL circuits. There are two outputs of ECL, namely VC1 and VC2. I hope you are able to see the two outputs. There are two outputs of ECL, one is VC1 and another one is VC2. Because the circuit has differential amplifier circuit. Because the circuit is of differential amplifier, so there are two outputs, VC1 and VC2. There is no need of inverter circuit over here. There is no need of inverter circuit over here. Please note down the truth table. I request you to please note down the truth table. Vin is the input, that is logic 0. That means I am providing minus 1.7 volt. The output, that is VC1 and VC2, would be respectively. As a result, Q2 transistor would conduct. Q2 transistor would conduct. Similarly, when logic 1 is there, that is minus 0.8 volt is being provided. Following is the output of VC1 and VC2, as a result of which Q1 conducts. As a result of which Q1 conducts. Have you noted? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Please note down low output impedance and high input impedance. Low output impedance and high input impedance leads to leads to high fan out condition. Leads to high fan out condition. Leads to high fan out condition. Fan out means, what do you mean by fan out? Fan out means representation of how many inputs to one output in any gate. How many inputs to one output in any gate. That is known as fan out condition. ECL has ECL has full fan out condition. ECL has full fan out or high fan out conditions. That means 25 operations are performed. That means 25 operations are performed in parallel. Next point, voltage swing, SWING. Voltage swing is limited, current flow is same, current flow is same. In TTL, in case of TTL, spikes which are not there in ECL, which are not there in ECL, next point, current in Q1 and Q2, current in Q1 and Q2 will flow depending upon input voltage level. Depending upon input voltage level. I repeat, current in Q1 and Q2 will flow depending upon input voltage level. That is, input current flowing between E and C of Q1 and Q2. So there will be two conditions for the output. So output will have two conditions. I repeat, output will have two conditions. I really appreciate your hard work in writing. You mentioned each and everything clearly. Shruti, enrollment number 6. Hello Shruti, enrollment number 6. Shruti, enrollment number 6.
Yes, sir. She's texting me that is there any problem because her mic is not working.
So Anubhav, since you have become the mediator, kindly inform her that the time of the lecture is 1:30. If you are joining late, so please avoid such kind of things. Thank you Anubhav for becoming the mediator. Now I would like to continue. The output will have two conditions. The output will have two conditions, that is VC1 and VC2 are complement to each other. VC1 and VC2 are complement to each other, and output voltage level is not equal to input voltage
level. I repeat, DC1 and DC2 are complement of each other, and output voltage level is not equal to input voltage level. Now, dear students, I am going to show you how can we connect emitter follower circuit with our ECL circuit. So this is the way we are connecting our emitter follower circuit with ECL circuit. This is just for your information. If you are interested to draw, you may draw. If you are not interested to draw, it's okay, because it's an extra information. How a emitter follower circuit can be used to connect with ECL circuit. Basically, I would like to highlight few points over here which are related to the four transistors, that is Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 drawn in the circuit. The output impedance of this circuit is very less, that is 7 ohms. Fan out is very large. I repeat, fan out is very large. Output impedance is quite low, that is 7 ohms. Thirdly, due to capacitance, because of load, emitter follower is used using Q3 and Q4. Due to capacitance, because of load, emitter follower is used using Q3 and Q4. It will provide two output, Vout1 and Vout2. As you can see, it will provide two outputs, that is Vout1 and Vout2. Both are complement to each other. Both are complement to each other, that we have already discussed. Output coming previously is not setting up the output level. So to set the output level, Q3 and Q4 are included. To set the output levels, Q3 and Q4 are included. So in the circuit, Q3 and Q4 are acting as inverted circuits. The basic simplification of this circuit is something like this. If we are having A and B as inputs, one is a NOR NOR gate and one is OR OR gate. It is used for high speed applications. ECL circuit is also known as CML circuit. ECL circuit is also known as CML circuit, that is current mode logic circuit, because of current switching properties. Because of current switching properties. We have already discussed that in these transistors, they never saturate. They only switch from cutoff to active and active to cutoff. There are two logic levels, logic 1 and logic 0. One is at minus 1.7 and one is at minus 0.8. Now, what is the important thing over here in ECL circuit that you must know? Please note down the advantages. Number one, first advantage is transistors do not saturate. Number two, the switching time is quite nice or high switching time. Number three, output is complementing each other. output is complementing each other. If you have written, then can I proceed for disadvantages?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The disadvantages are power dissipation is high, power dissipation is high, level shifter is required for interfacing, and gate is slowed down due to C. Gate is slowed down due to C. So my dear students, as per the syllabus of our university, we have completed the first 4 units of our syllabus. 555 timer, active filters, and various kind of amplifiers are remaining. We have already covered the syllabus for mid-semester 2. I would now be sharing with you one more file. That file I have uploaded in your MS Teams as well as in your WhatsApp group. Sorry.
I think someone is going to put to mobile. Will that hello?
In the file shown over here, instructions are very clear. There are few students whose tasks are not being defined. They need to show or they need to complete their previous task. Then and only then they would be allowed for further tasks. Number one. Number two, the most unfortunate part is in 1A11 batch, except 3 students, none of the students are appearing in labs. Neither they are responding to their lab teacher for their lab task. It is really very pathetic situation for those students, because if you are not responding and if you assume directly by uploading the files in Drive would do the work, that is not the case. You need to appear in your lab slots. The lab task that I have given to all of you, it clearly defines that these tasks are to be done in any kind of simulation software. You need to save this file. You need to take the screenshots of the output as well as the input along with the circuit. The soft copy that you are being preparing for these tasks must have the screenshots that you have taken. In the task assigned, there are few topics like of 555 timer as well as of filters. Those topics, your exams are going to complete in 1 week, so those topics we are going to cover in next to next week. So the concerned students, those who are not there or those who are there, I request all of you in general to attend the lectures regularly so that you are able to understand what is the task and how it can be done. I will be showing the same thing in our regular lectures. During our regular lectures, we would be covering these topics, so you are requested to attend the lectures on regular basis. In case of any doubt, please do let me know. Your syllabus is complete for the first mid-semester as well as the first 4 units are also complete as per the previous discussion and request by few of the students. We are going to cover unit 1 few topics as per the request tomorrow during our lecture session. There would be no lecture on Saturday because you requested that you require certain time to study. So it's okay. Any In case of any other queries or doubts, please do let me know. Do you think any other topic must be repeated or should be repeated, or you are having doubt, then please let me know. I will repeat it again. Dear students, please respond.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, thank you, Anubhav. So hereby I close my lecture. Thank you, students. You may leave the lab. Just wait a minute. I will be taking your attendance. Then you are free to go. Okay, students. Thank you. You may leave the lecture. That's all for today's class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.